warm welcome, sir, to Editor Speak. A difficult situation where an emergency happens with an admitted patient and there are no relatives around. You need consent, or there's a decision to be taken, or you need blood to be procured. What should a doctor or a hospital do in such a situation?
When no relatives are around and an emergency occurs, hospitals should have protocols in place to handle the emergency. And whatever they do should be in the best interest of the patient, trying to save the patient's life.
Sir, any recent judgment to throw light on what you just said?
In a recent judgment from the State Consumer Commission, a patient delivered a female child in the hospital. When the relatives were not around, the patient developed PPH. The hospital had to inform the relatives. The hospital informed the husband, who was given a sample, to get blood from another hospital, from a blood bank elsewhere. By the time the blood was procured, the patient became serious and passed away. The husband of the patient filed a case of negligence against the hospital. The court held the hospital and the doctor negligent on many counts. One defense by the hospital stood out for me. The hospital stated that the delay in procuring blood was the reason that the patient became serious and the patient passed away. The court rejected this defense outright. The court stated that no relatives does not mean no treatment, and not procuring blood in the absence of the relatives and not taking measures to help the patient in an emergency was the reason the court held the hospital and the doctor negligent.
Sir, so according to you, what should have been done in such a situation?
See, courts appreciate doctors and hospitals who walk that extra mile in trying to save a patient's life. This was an emergency. There were no protocols involved. The hospital should have done or taken measures to procure blood and transfuse the blood. Had this been done in this aforementioned case, the court may have appreciated the conduct of the hospital and the doctor, and the judgment may have favored the doctor and the hospital.
Thank you, Dr. Shetty. Hope your insights help out our viewers.